It's tomato season in the garden. And you know, some years are better than others, and this is one of those so-so seasons because we've had a lot of rain, even though it's been very hot, and now we're at high summer, and we're just seeing tomatoes come in. So in this garden, we've got ripening, we've got our salad tomatoes. And those, of course, are great for any kind of salad, a marinated salad, you want to do a BLT, whatever you want to do. And then, of course, we have the plum tomato. And that's the tomato that we want to use for sauce. It's meaty, has less seeds, it's low acid, it's perfect. I can't wait to get the first one, like that one right there. Over there, we have the pianola, the fabulous pianola. This is cherry tomato with the pointed end. And I'm really happy about that because it's not always easy to get the pianola because they grow the base of Mount Vesuvius. And of course, this is anything but Mount Vesuvius, but the soil there is perfect. But we have them. We have the pianola, and they are hung up on strings. Actually, the word pianola means hanging. And they dry these tomatoes for about a month, and then they cut them in little pieces and they put them in olive oil, and then they have them all winter long. And we've got cherry tomatoes of all different varieties. And well, it's just tomato heaven right now.